Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open the SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. For this, of course, you will need to use the SIM tray pin that is included in the box of the smartphone. It might look a little bit different, but of course the purpose of it is still the same. At the bottom of the device over here we have the SIM tray. On the left side we have the hole. We need to put the pin inside the hole. And there we go. And now push it slightly to take it out a little bit, and after that we can use our fingers to completely take it out. And this is how it looks like. Here we have one side of the SIM tray, and the other. On both sides we can insert the SIM card. Of course we need to put it inside according to the picture, and you need to be careful because at least in my case, the slot is really loose and it's easy to lose the card. Once you insert it, you can put it back in, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.